a licensed massage therapist and certified medical massage therapist with nearly 20 years of hands-on experience. The information shared in this video is for educational and informational purposes only and is not intended as medical advice. Services at TravSpa do not diagnose, treat, or replace care from a licensed medical provider. If you have a medical condition, injury, or health concern, please consult with your physician or qualified healthcare professional before starting any new bodywork or wellness service. Are designed for clients who want a more comprehensive approach to body contouring, lymphatic support, and tissue rejuvenation. By pairing 2 or more zones together, the session addresses multiple areas of the body in a single treatment, enhancing both visual and functional results. Each combination session begins with a brief assessment to determine which zones will offer the most balanced improvement based on the client's goals. Some clients choose to focus on sculpting and fluid reduction in the lower body, and midsection with a Zone 1 and Zone 2 combination. Others prefer upper body refinement and facial rejuvenation with Zones 2 and 3. Full combination options help create a coordinated, system-wide approach to circulation and contour enhancement. During the session, techniques are applied in a structured sequence to support lymphatic flow, fascia release, and improve tissue tone. Working across multiple zones helps the body function more efficiently by encouraging balanced drainage, smoother transitions between tissue layers, and greater overall symmetry. Clients often notice improved contour lines, lighter sensations throughout the body, and more visible changes when combining zones rather than focusing on a single area. Combination sessions also help address interconnected tension patterns, promoting better movement and postural alignment. These sessions are ideal for individuals who want to maximize results, streamline their treatment plan, or support larger transformation goals. The combined approach helps create a smoother, more cohesive appearance while reinforcing the body's natural balance and flow. At TravSpa, Lypossage combination sessions offer a more complete and efficient pathway to body refinement, helping clients feel lifted, smoother, and more aligned throughout their session series. If you're looking for a more complete and balanced transformation, Lypossage combination sessions offer the perfect way to enhance multiple areas at once. Visit TravSpa.com to explore the combination options that best match your goals.